Welcome back to Buckeye Country Creations. Okay, we are getting ready for the deck to be built. Got part of the lumber and the things, the post, it's all marked out. These steps will be moved and all of that out there will be deck. It's supposed to start on the 4x4 post today. Okay, now we have the framing up and part of the joist up. So tomorrow will be the rest of the framing, rest of the joist put up. And then we'll start laying, or they will start, I say we, I'm not doing this. They'll start laying the decking. And then I'll figure out what kind of railing system I want. I haven't really finalized that yet. But getting it ready for the family reunion next weekend. Woohoo! This is where they came back and they were working on the deck again. Cutting the boards and started laying actually the flooring. The decking boards, not really flooring. Deck is finished. I'm so happy with it. Now I'm working on getting everything ready for everybody to enjoy it tomorrow. My contractor did amazing. There's the gate down at the bottom. Next thing to buy is deck furniture. Woo! My design. I designed this deck, and I've got these solar lights on every other post and then caps. So next thing will be the deck furniture. After shopping around, I found my deck furniture at Big Lots. And luckily they were having a Memorial Day sale and I got a great buy on them. Then we went to Walmart and picked up these two patio umbrellas. And it says do not use them without a stand, but me being the rebel that I am, my husband and I figured out that we could use these conduit brackets to hold the umbrellas up against the side rails there. And here you'll see me, I got the first one put together. And so now I'm just going to try to decide where I want to place the umbrella because it will not move. It'll stay in this one area. And I want at least one umbrella over the sofa part of the deck furniture. And then the other umbrella will be on the other side above the two chairs. My furniture set came with the sofa, 2 chairs, and 2 ottomans, and I paid less than $450. Yes, it was amazing. So, now here I am. I'm like, okay, is this thing going to stay here while I move? Yeah, I think it will. So now I'm going to move the furniture out of my way. And it was a little windy. As you can see, it was blowing my umbrella around. So now I'm going to show you, these are the conduit holders that I will screw in to the side rails. And I think I used 2 or 3 on each umbrella. And so far they've done really good to hold them steady. And I just used my cordless drill. I thought my umbrella was gone. I really did. I thought it was gone. So I decided it was better to take the top portion of the umbrella off and then just put the bottom half up with the brackets. So here's a bird's eye view of me putting the brackets. You'll see around the pole of the umbrella. I had some issues at first trying to get the screw to move in, but I finally got it together. Now I want you to know that this darn umbrella gave me fits trying to get the top portion back on. The button that was supposed to click into the hole on the top portion. Somehow or another it kept getting stuck. You'll see me there, I'm banging on it. But I finally get it to click properly like it's supposed to. Now moving to the other side of the deck to put the umbrella on the other side. Had to move my furniture out of the way, of course. And then I decided that it was easier if I was sitting on one of the benches. It was easier to screw the screw into the side rail. So now we're going to get this one secured and get the other umbrella put on. The next thing I'll be shopping for will be an outdoor rug to go on the deck. But now my deck is finished and I can sit poolside and enjoy the view. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.